Hello everyone, welcome to KingOrnan. This is Becky. Do you know about the weird dimming? Do you know how to use them? This video, I will show you 3 common types of the weird dimming and how to use them. Commonly used weird dimming is divided into 0 to 10 volts, Triac, and DALI, 3 ways. Their signal stability and anti-interference ability is very strong, suitable for the need for light control, so they are widely used. Because of this, we have also developed the most suitable accessories for them. Let me show you. Look at this. This is a 0 to 10 volts and Triac universal power supply. Its task is to input power to these 2 different control ways of the Triac and lamp. Here, the 2 control panels are 0 to 10 volts control panel and Triac control panel. Through the knob, we can achieve the brightness adjustment of the lamp. In addition, we have added a sweet little detail for everyone, this remote control. If you lie on the sofa or bed, want to directly adjust the brightness of the light, this remote control can meet you. Very convenient, isn't it? About DALI dimming, it's more intelligent. We support different voltages, low voltage or high voltage. We support 1 color control or 2 color control, like this. And we support different products applications, strip light, downlight, spotlight, and magnetic light, and so on. Of course, we can use both panel control, you see, and remote control at the same time. All smart accessories can be adapted to our remote control to free your legs. Wow! Truly realize science and technology to change our life and benefit you and me. This is the end of the video. Want to know about details and price? Contact us.